Hey Glam Dolls, so I am here today to review a wig for you. This is IBA, it's from Outre, and this is the stock card, and this is their 13 by 6 fully hand-tied lace wig, perfect hairline, laced front. It has a pre-braided styling, and I have it in number 1. This is I've been wanting to try this. I saw other YouTubers try this wig and I wanted to try it for myself. So I got it in number 1 because when I first start out with something, I need to see it in a natural color before I try it in I love blondes. I will wear them, you know, burgundies. I'll rock them just as nicely as I'll rock a number 1. But I got this in number 1. So yeah, this is a nice wig. See if there's anything else I need to tell you about it. Saying no plucking required. It has baby hair and 6-inch deep parting, soft Swiss lace, which is true, and this is it since I've already cut it off. And adjustable. It does have an adjustable elastic band, adjustable wide elastic band, and it's heat styling friendly. But so let's just look at it. I have already taken it out of the package, of course. And this is she is super long, and she has this gorgeous wavy curls. I love the curl pattern. I love it. Here is the inside construction of the cap. So you can see here is the 13 by 6 parting. You can see straight through where the braids are. And this is the weft cap construction. You have 2 combs on either side. You have the regular adjustable bands here, and then you have the elastic band here that they've already sewn on for you. So yeah, this is super cute. I'm excited to try it because I have not tried a synthetic wig that already had the elastic band in there or that has been braided at the top. So you can see straight through that. Here are the braids. So you see my nails. So the lace is really nice. I do see the knots, so we're gonna put some concealer or some powder in here or underneath to try to conceal the knots. But the hairline is pretty good. We'll be able to see it more once I put it on my head. So I'm getting ready to do that right now so we can see what this looks like. I hope I like it. Alright, I hope you like it. I think that a lot of people do because I've seen it, a lot of people reviewing this one. So I'm going to put it on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is on my head, and let's look at I haven't done anything up here, but I think that is really pretty cool about how the braids are, and the party space and all of that, because it looks pretty realistic. So I do not ever gel down baby hair. If they're on a piece, maybe I'll comb them into it, or I'll do like this, like I'm going to do with this one, and just kind of let them swoop them and let them fall right in front. But I'm not going to be gelling them down. I don't do that. So the ear, let's see, ear tabs. This is big head friendly. It is from ear to ear. I have a pretty big head. It is long, so probably about 24 inches. I would say this curl pattern is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to put some powder in the gorgeous. I love the coral pattern. It's really a pretty unit. I love the parting space. I did put powder, or you saw me put the powder in the parting space there, and so it looks really cute. A couple things. This will tangle. It's super long. Let's see. Yeah, okay, let me just pull it all to the front so I can show you. Super long. Okay, so yeah, I'm 24, 26 inches easy, if not more. The curl, because of the curl pattern, you see this? It's already tangling. So it's going to tangle on you because of that. But I mean, it's still very pretty, very doable. It has a little shedding as I've been, you know, trying to get the tangles out and put my fingers through it like this. You see that? I've gotten some shedding, so I didn't get any pieces just then, but so it's not shedding horribly or anything like that. But yeah, just know it's gonna tangle on you. You're gonna have to, you know, kind of put something, maybe some kind of detangler on it, and then, you know, finger comb it. I wouldn't suggest brushing this out, and you can do whatever you want, of course, but I'm not going to brush mine. I'm just going to finger comb it. And at some point, you guys, because I don't know if the braids are cute on other people. I've seen a few people, girls, ladies review it, and the braids are super cute on them. I don't necessarily like the braids on me. So I think I would love this unit so much more if I took these braids down. I'm gonna leave them up for today. You know, we're gonna cook out and everything on our patio and stuff. So I'm gonna just see how this hair does outside. It's not very hot here. I'm in Ohio, so the weather is yeah, all over the place, but it's not so hot today. So I think I'll do fine with it. But I do know, because I know me, y'all. I know me. I'm gonna take this braid down at some point, and I'm gonna try not to take it down today. I'm gonna try, but I can't make no promises because I'm impatient sometimes. Okay, but yeah, so we're gonna take this braid down at some point, and I'll come back on here so y'all can see what that looks like, because I was looking for somebody that took it down when I was looking this up on YouTube, and I couldn't see anybody that took it down, so I couldn't seem to find anybody. So I'm gonna take it down for you, okay? And I'll be back to show you what that looks like. But anyway, this is really cute, so definitely worth the buy. I got this from Sam's Beauty, and yeah, so I will leave the link below in the playing with it in the description box. But yeah, it's really cute. I'm not too bothered by the tangles. You just kind of gonna have to take a minute and finger comb it. It feels really good on your head. That adjustable strap, the elastic band they put in there is very helpful because it's very snug, and yeah, it's not moving, not going anywhere. It feels really nice on your head, and like I said, or if I didn't say, it's big head friendly. So yeah, if you got a big head, you can rock this. Okay, sis. All right, so yeah, this is IBA, and like I said, I'll leave the info below. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see y'all next time. Bye.